hanging man ba to? Oo. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo kanina, flag breakout? Question mark. Kasi for me, ito po, hindi to confirmation candle. Kung today, we'll see a long green candle. So, syempre, this will be above the high of yesterday na. Okay? Above 107 na. So, probably 109 ka. That could probably confirm. But, wait, there's more. Malapit po yan sa all-time high resistance. Konting resistance dyan. But since ito pong area na yan, titignan ninyo, after this area, yung 106,500, puro weeks na to, needle. Ibig sabihin po niyan, mas konti na yung mga trades dyan sa area na yan. Okay? So, for me, hindi yan masyadong magiging malakas na resistance. Ang malakas na resistance, itong 106,500. Itong area na yan. So, which is kung nasan tayo ngayon. Kaya nakikita natin, may mga rejections. We never close above it. So, what we want to see for Bitcoin is to break 106,500, close above it, break above and close above na long green, powerful candle. Maybe yun yung sasabihin natin na, yun na yung confirmation nitong breakout ng flag. If you're using this pattern na flag, naasaan yung measured move? Nasaan yung possible target niyan kapag bumasag yan, nag-confirm? The next possible target is around 114,000 based on the measured move ng flag.